This video will show you how to create a subgroup or Hall interest group using Connect, and show you how to view the members in the group as well as send an email to the members in the group. So to start, you will need to go to Connect, which is connect.uw-stout.edu, and log in using your Stout credentials. Once you've done that, a page similar to this should show up, and then once here you can go into the group that you want to create the subgroup for. So I will do one for South Hall, and that will take you to this page. So once you're here, you can go down on the left-hand side to More Tools, and then select Tags. So on mine, subgroups is the third option, so you can see that there are already some subgroups created, but there's an option to create additional ones. So I'm going to click on the Create Subgroup tab or button, and then you'll name your group, and you can choose an optional color for it. And then click Save. So now you can see that that's an option here for the subgroups. You can also edit it and change the access rates. So for example, the staff hangs one, maybe I'd only want my staff to be able to see that. So I could change access rates in there. But for this one, we'll just leave it open to the whole group. So now that you've created your subgroup or Hall interest group, people can go in and join it. And they can do that, and you can view who's in it by going to the group page. So to get there, I'm going to Dashboard and then Group Page. Then here, so if you scroll down on the right-hand side, there's Join Subgroups. And so people can just select whichever groups they want to join, or unselect it if they decide they don't want to be in it anymore. So to view who's in the group, any resident can go to the right-hand side here and click on Members. This will show everybody in the South Hall group, but you can then sort it by subgroup. So let's look and see who's in disc golf. And that's Adam and I. So here's a quick way to see, okay, so Adam and Sarah are interested in disc golf. I happen to know them, so I can pop by their room and see if they'd like to go play around with me. Otherwise, if you want to contact everybody at once via email to set up a time or meeting or do anything like that, on the left-hand side here, you would go to Emails, and then Compose Email. Now this might be limited just to hall managers, RLCs, and the HLC administrative position, but we're happy to help you out if you want to send an email. So then once in here, you can click on the bottom right side, it says Subgroup Tags. Super easy, so I just want to email everybody, let's see, we'll do the disc golf one again. So send an Adam to the disc golf interest people. Click on Compose Email. This shows who it's being sent to. You can choose your from email address and then enter your subject, and you can choose a template if you want. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and type your email up here. You can also add some click boxes if you want to do that for surveys or anything. And you can also set the email to be delivered at a later time if you don't want it to be sent right when you are creating it. You can preview it once you've got it typed up, and then you can save and send. And then another interesting thing that you can do is if you go back to emails and look at your sent emails, it will show you how many people it was sent to and then how many people have opened and read it. And that is how you do subgroups. So I hope you found this to be helpful.